Hi everybody, I am Srinivas. So today we are going to conduct or continue our topic. Okay, so welcome to all, welcome to Raman Tutorials. Today I am going to start the problems based in our previous class. Okay, so what are the problems based on our previous class? Okay, see if the distance between points, 2 points given, what are those points? Ordered pair k comma 2 and 3 comma 4. These are two given points and the distance is how much? 8. D is equal to 8. Then the question is, what is the value of k? Okay, right. So distance between 2 points, we know the formula. What is the distance between 2 points? Distance between 2 points is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is nothing but k minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square is equal to 8. Here now square on both sides. What we get? K minus 3 whole square plus its value 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 4 or 4 minus 2. Its value will be 2 square is nothing but 4. That is equal to 64. Okay. So then what we get? Its value will be k minus 3 whole square is equal to 64 minus 4. So k minus 3 whole square value will be 60. Okay. So k minus 3 whole square value will be 60. So from this, I will write as k minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root 60. So then the value of k is minus 3 will become plus 3. So 3 plus or minus under root of root 60. So I got the value of k. Okay. So in this, I can find the value of k. Right. So good evening everybody. Let us see. I think you have seen the problem. Now we are going to do one more problem. Yes, this is one of the important problems. What was given? Distance. Distance between two cot theta or distance between the ordered pair 2 cot theta, 2 comma cot theta as well as ordered pair 1 comma 0. These are 2 points given. We need to find the distance. Okay. Is there anybody to do distance between 2 points? Let us see. Anybody? Distance between 2 points. So I am Namaskari as well as Murthy. Good evening. So I have given the question. Try to solve. Ammu sweetie. Hi, hello, namaste. So now see the problem. Let us see. Distance between 2 points. We know the formula. Of course, this is easiest but little bit of tricky. Okay. Anybody try to solve this? What is the distance? The distance formula is d is equal to, of course I will take this as x1 as well as y1 and this is x2 as well as y2. So by taking this, the distance formula will be under root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus cot theta minus 0 whole square. Okay, Ashwini Biradar, namaste. So d is equal to under root of 2 minus 1 value will be 1 plus its value is cot square theta. So that is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. From trigonometry, you have the cosec theta. Prabha says cosec theta. Let us check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. She says cosec theta. Okay. Let us check the answer is correct or not. Right. Now I'm going to see 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. Okay. So then next what it will be? Then square root will get cancels. The answer will be cosec theta, but it is under or in modulus. Okay, not cosec theta, it is mod cosec theta because we have under root of cosec square theta. Cosec square theta means here cosec theta may be positive or may be negative. Whatever it may be, square is nothing but positive. So that's why the answer will be mod cosec theta. Okay, so not cosec theta, so the answer is mod cosec theta. First one is wrong, last one is correct. So modulus of cosec theta is correct. Okay, I think you got my point. Here modulus of, or we can say that under root of x square is nothing but its value is mod x. Under root of x square is nothing but value is modulus of x. In the same method, under root of cosec square is nothing but its value is mod cosec theta. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, next we are going to do another problem. Okay, see that we are going to do another problem. What is the distance between the sine theta, ordered pair sine theta comma cos theta, as well as cos theta comma minus sine theta? Try to do the problem. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Make it fast. Is there anybody to say? Answer is, so I'm going to do the answer solution. So one Rangu says answer is 1. Let us see distance 1 whether it is correct or not. I will check. D is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square. Among these, sine theta minus cos theta whole square plus cos theta minus into minus plus sine theta whole square. Okay, now let us simplify this. What we get, sine square theta. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So sine square theta 2. Somebody saying answer is 2. Let us check. Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus plus or minus. We will get minus. Okay. So cos square theta minus 2 sine theta into cos theta plus, by expanding this also, what we get, cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, so the root will be here. So minus plus will get cancels. So under root of, here what we get, sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus cos square theta plus sine square theta value is 1. So the answer will be root 2 is correct. Okay, so Prabha said root 2 as well as Ashwini root 2 is correct, and Aparna also root 2 is correct. So the answer is root 2. Okay, so this will be the correct answer, right? So in this way, whatever numbers given or trigonometric ratios given, we can find easily. Okay, right. Next, let us move to another problem. What is another problem? See this. This is also a little bit of different one. I will write this as image. So little bit of tricky question. The distance of the point x comma y from the image in x-axis. Image in x-axis. Image in x-axis. What will be the answer? First one, 2 into mod x or 2 into mod y or under root of x square plus y square or 0. Anybody can try. C. Under root of Prabha says C. Under root of x square plus y square. Let us check the answer. What will be the answer? Distance of the point from ordered pair x comma y to the image in x-axis. Yes. Okay. See the solution. Distance from the point. What is given point? Point is ordered pair x comma y. Okay. Image of the point in x-axis. That means if we take the coordinate system, here the point is ordered pair x comma y. Okay. Ashwini says mod y is correct, and Mahalakshmi says option B is correct. B is nothing but 2 into mod y. Okay, and after that somebody says mod y, and Jyoti says 2 mod x. Let us check what the answer will be. I'm going to find out. This is ordered pair x comma y in x-axis. Image will be like this: ordered pair x comma minus y. Okay, image of the point in x-axis will be ordered pair x comma minus y. So then the point I have x comma y as well as ordered pair x comma minus y. Now the distance, how can we find the distance? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. From these two we will get x minus x whole square plus y plus y whole square. Okay, so here y minus into minus plus under root of its value will be 0 plus 2y whole square. Okay. Next, what it will be? That is equal to square root get cancels. That means mod 2y, or we can write it as 2 into mod y. Okay. So option B, most of the persons said option B. So option B is correct. Okay. So 2 into mod y will be the correct answer. Right. So distance from the point to image in x-axis. Same, the question will be given in another way also. What is the distance of the point in image of y-axis? See this, I have taken like this. The ordered pair is x comma y. Okay. Here, image of the point in y-axis will be like this. What the point will be? Minus x comma y. Okay. Image of the point in y-axis means this one. Image of the point in x-axis means here. What is that? X comma minus y. Okay. So remember these conditions. It is very, very important, and some questions will comes based on these type of problems. Okay. Next, we are going to do one more problem. Okay. What will be the problem? Let us check. It is a little bit of different one. See this. First, we need to understand the question. Ordered pair 2 comma 1, ordered pair 2 comma 5. These two are opposite corners of a square. These are opposite corners of a square. Then its side is. This is the question. Okay. See the question. See the question thoroughly. The question is, I will reduce this. Right. See, what was the question? If ordered pair 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 is there, as well as, thank you Ashwini, thank you so much sir for solving different kinds of questions. Okay, no problem, thank you. With your help or with your support, I will try to do some more problems which are different. Okay, right. Ordered pair 2 comma 5, two ordered pairs given, right? So this is the square I will take. Okay, square I have taken. In this, 2 points are opposite sides given, opposite corners of the square. So this is one of the corner, this is one of the corner, which are opposite. Okay, right. What it will be? Suppose ordered pair 2 comma 1 I will take, and this is ordered pair 2 comma 5 I will take. Okay, these are two opposite corners. Or if you take these are opposite corners, how can we get? If we take like this, these are 2 points. Of course, these 2 points are in opposite corners. Ordered pair 2 comma 1 I have taken in this way, right? So in this, let us check. We can take like this. It is a square, no? Okay, it is a square. Yes, Aparna says 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2. Let us check whether it is 2 root 2 or not. I think our next Rangu says root 2. Let us check whether it is correct or not. Okay, see here. We can find the distance of these two. Distance of these two means the distance is equal to under root of, what is that? x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square is nothing but 0 plus 1 minus 5 whole square. That is nothing but under root of 1 minus 5 is nothing but 4 4 square. So here the distance is 4. I got 4 is the distance. Okay. Next, hypotenuse is 4. Okay, right. Hypotenuse 4. And after that, we need side. Side means, suppose this is side. X I have taken, right? This is 90 degrees means, we can take how much this angle will be 45 degrees, no? So total 90 degrees. In that half means 45 degrees. From that I will take it as sine 45 degrees is equal to sine 45. What is meaning of sine? Sine is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means we can take it as 4. What will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 is equal to x by 4. That is nothing but we can write it as x is equal to 4 by root 2. So here we can write or we can multiply and divide with 2 root 2. I am multiply and divided. So 4 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 value will be 2. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So the answer will be 2 root 2 is correct answer. Okay. As who said the answer is 2 root 2? Aparna says 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the correct answer. Whenever these 2 points are opposite corners. Okay. Opposite corners means we have to take like this. These two are in opposite corners. Okay. Right. Of course, you say these are opposite. Okay. These are opposite means what you get, you will get answer 4. But we need to take like this only. Right. Okay. Fakresh, hi. Hello. Yes. Saksham Gowda. So you said 2 root 2. That is correct. Okay. Right. Let us move on to another problem. Yes, this is one of the different questions. Okay, right. Now let us see. In this, I am going to introduce one of the formulas. Okay, one of the different formulas. Right. See the question thoroughly. So the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining 2 points. Okay, right. What are given 2 points? The given 2 points are ordered pair 3 comma 6 and 12 comma minus 3. Okay, uh, ratio in which y-axis divides. Okay, anybody can try to solve. Saksham Gowda. Okay, thank you very much. You are very cool, sir. Uh, thank you very much. Okay, of course, I will be cool and with patience, I will try to teach you. Okay, uh, ordered pair 3 comma 6, 12 comma minus 3 is given. Ratio in which y-axis divides. So, one simple formula I am going to tell you. X-axis divides. X-axis divides the line joining the points. Suppose I will take like this 2 points. ordered pair x1 comma y1 as well as x2 comma y2 in ratio minus y1 is to y2. Okay, so Murthy says 2 is to 1. Murthy says 2 is to 1. Let us check whether his answer is correct or not. Okay, right. X-axis divides the line joining the points in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Of course, it has the proof, but I won't go to that proof. Okay, just formula I'm going to say. Y-axis divides in which ratio minus x1 is to x2. Okay, so x-axis minus y1 is to y2, y-axis minus x1 is to x2. Now let us check what will be the answer. In question, y-axis divides y-axis divides in the ratio, what will be the ratio? Minus x1 ratio x2. Okay, so this is x1 and this is x2. Okay, minus 3 ratio x2 means 12. That means minus 3 ones are 3 fours are. Now you can say what will be the answer. Jyoti says C is correct answer. Okay. In last class, I told one condition. What was the condition? The condition is AP ratio PB externally, or same word we can write it as minus AP is to PB. Both represents same answers. Okay, AP is to PB externally or minus AP is to PB, both are same. So now it is in this form. Okay, I can write in this form. How should I write? 1 is to 4 externally. See, this third answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Saksham Gowda. Okay, thank you. Sir, do more videos, please. Okay. I will try to do more videos. First, let us complete this, right? So I think you got the point. If there is negative, minus is there, we can write in positive way. That is 1 is to 4 externally. Okay. 1 is to 4 internally is there, 1 is to 4 externally is there. The correct answer is 1 is to 4 externally, right? Kavya says 1 is to 4 externally. That is exactly correct answer, right? Now we are going to move one more problem. What is the another problem? Okay, this is a little bit of different. Okay, little bit of different to previous problems. Here 7 this is. Okay, harmonic conjugate of ordered pair 4 comma 1 with respect to the points, these 2 points given. Okay, right. Aparna, different questions, sir. Okay, ठीक है. Different question. See this harmonic conjugate. Of course, this is question different one, right? First of all, we need to know about what is harmonic conjugate. Okay, harmonic conjugate means I'm going to see this. Okay, Jyoti says 1 is to 4 internally condition user. Condition user means internally. Let us see here. Internally means like this. This is A and this is P. B. Suppose the point lies internally. ಒಳಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay? ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? That means that is internally. Otherwise, suppose this is A and this is B. Here the point P is on extended line. Okay, the point P is on extended line. So I will write here. It will be easily, you can see. Suppose A and B, these are 2 points. This is the line and the point P is on external point. External. This point is external point which lies on this line joining AB. Okay. So idu horagade ide. So this is external point and this is called internal point. Okay. Okay. Kavya, thank you, sir, for solving different types of problems. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Right, we are going to do another problem. I think you got internally as well as externally. Internally, olage, externally, horage. Right? See, harmonic conjugate. Okay, harmonic conjugate I am going to define. What is harmonic conjugate means? Suppose A comma B are 2 points. 2 points are there. Suppose a point P is dividing AB in the ratio M is to N. Okay. Suppose the point P divides AB in the ratio M is to N, then the point then the point which divides AB in ratio minus M is to N, then the point is called harmonic conjugate of this point. Okay, this is the question. Right. So once again, I'm going to derive the definition. What is harmonic conjugate? Harmonic conjugate means if the point divides in the ratio M is to N, the point which divides the same line segment in the ratio minus M is to N means outside. That is called harmonic conjugate. Okay, right. To find this harmonic conjugate, we need to know one more formula. What is that formula? Suppose I'm going to give one of the important formulas, that is A is a point ordered pair x1 comma y1. B is a point ordered pair x2 comma y2. Then the point P divides in which ratio? For that, we have a shortcut formula. Anybody knows about the shortcut formula? Jyoti avare, try to find out the shortcut formula. Okay. So we can find the ratio in easiest method by using one formula, that is x. Suppose the point I will take it as x comma y, right? That divides in the ratio x minus x1 is to x2 minus x. By using this formula, you can find so many problems. Okay, simple question. I will give one problem. What is that problem? Suppose A is 2 comma 3 and B is 7 comma 1. I will take 7 comma 1. Yes, x1 minus x2 is ratio x2 minus x. X minus x1, x2 minus. I think Veena says little bit of wrong. Okay, x minus x1. Here you will get negative, I think. Okay, try to check it once again. Right, I'm going to see this one. Ordered pair 2 comma 3, ordered pair 7 comma 1. Find the point which divides AB. In which ratio? Okay, if the point P is dividing AB, then what will be the ratio? Suppose the point I will take 0 comma minus 2. Okay, let us take. What is that ratio? In simple method, x value is 0, x1 value is 2, x2 value is 7, isn't it? X value 0, x1 value 2, x2 value 7. Substitute in this formula. What is the formula? X minus x1. X means 0 minus x1 ratio. x2 minus x 0. So answer will be minus 2 ratio 7. Okay, or we can say that in another way, y minus y1 ratio y2 minus y. Okay, both will be same answers. Okay, right. Now why I use this formula means to solve our problem. Okay, right. First of all, what is given in our question? Aparna says minus 2 is to 9. For this, which one? Minus 2 is to 9. Okay. For this is 7. I have taken 7. Okay. Now, let us see the problem. What is the problem? A is given. What is A? A means, what is A means? Ordered pair 3 comma 2. A is ordered pair 3 comma 2 and B is ordered pair minus 1 comma 6. Okay. So here Aparna says right 7. Okay, that is correct. No problem. Maybe there will be a little bit of change or mistake is there. No problem. Right. So now I'm going to check the point. What is that point? P of 4 comma 1. Right, p of 4 comma 1 that divides in which ratio I want to check. What is the ratio? X minus x1 ratio x2 minus x. So x is nothing but 4 minus x1 is nothing but 3 ratio x2 is nothing but minus 1 minus x is nothing but 4. Okay, so here 4 minus 3 value 1 ratio minus 1 is to minus 4 minus 5. Okay, I got ratio. Okay, I got ratio like m is to n ratio I got. But question is harmonic conjugate. Harmonic means m is to n ratio will be converted to the form of minus m is to n ratio, or minus m is to n ratio will be converted to the form of m is to n ratio. Then the ratio will be, first of all, points 3 comma 2 minus 1 comma 6. From this, what will be the ratio? 1 is to 5. No, negative given, I have written positive. Negative is there, I have taken as positive. From this, we can get a harmonic conjugate. So what is the harmonic conjugate? You have the formula. What is that? Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. I think you can substitute. You can substitute. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? I'm going to substitute. M is nothing but 1 x2. This is x2 minus 1 plus n. N is nothing but 5 into uh, what will be n x1. X1 value how much? 3 divided by m plus n. 1 plus 5. Okay. And my2, what is m1 into y2 is nothing but 6 plus n. 5 into y1 is nothing but 2 divided by m plus n. 1 plus 5. Okay. So next, by simplifying this, we will get 5 3s are 15, 15 minus 1, 14 by 6, and 5 2s are 10 plus 6, 16 by 6. Okay, 16 by 6. This is 2 3s are 2 7s are. Okay, and this is 2 3s are 2 8s are. So answer will be ordered pair 7 by 3 comma 8 by 3. Let us check the answer. Answer will be 7 by 3 comma 8 by 3. So this is correct answer. Okay. So harmonic conjugate to find, first of all I got this ratio, and negative ratio will be 1:5. From that I substituted and I got the point. 7:3. Yes, most of the persons are saying 7, right? Pooja says, Aparna says, Saksham Gowda says correct, Mahalakshmi says correct answer, Murthy says correct answer, right? Yes, it is enough. If you do in this way, it is enough. This will be the procedure. Okay, try to remember harmonic conjugate. Okay, right. So this is one more problem. Okay, now I am going to do one more problem, and after first of all see this points of trisection. Yes, yes. Sukanya also said C, that is correct. Suresh also Suresha also said correct C. Okay, right. Now we are going to do one more different concept. What do you mean by points of trisection? Okay, what is points of trisection? Points of trisection. Okay, points of trisection means tri means 3. Tri means 3. Okay, right. Suppose I will take a line. 2 points are there. A and B are 2 points are there, and I will take one point P, which divides the line joining of AB in the ratio 1:2. 1:2. Okay, and I will take one more point. Q is the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so P is the point which divides in the ratio 1:2, right? P point, it is dividing in the ratio 1:2. Q point, it is dividing in the ratio 2:1. See, by adding these we will get a 3, trisection 3. Okay, so these 2 points are called points of trisection. Okay, Points of trisection means the points which divides in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1, right? This is about points of trisection. Okay. Now we are going to do one more concept, collinear points. So plenty of questions will be asked based on this collinear points. I think you know collinear points. In the condition, we have the definition. Collinear. What do you mean by collinear? If A, B, C, 3 points I have taken, or more points you can take. D is also there. If three or more points lies on a line, then those points are called collinear points. Okay, see the definition once again. If three or more points, so why I am saying three or more points? Of course, if you take 2 points, that will become a line segment. Okay, if you take another point on this, see, 3 points lies on same line. That means these 3 points are called collinear points. Okay, right. Lie in the same straight line, right? That is correct. All the points lies in the same line. Prabha also said, Kavya also said, and Aparna also said, right? You are following very well, right? Collinear points. It is simple one. Based on this, I will write one formula. I think you know the formula of area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, ordered pair x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2, as well as x3 comma y3. Whenever three vertices given, what will be the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle formula, you know, half into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula. Okay. Right. This is how it comes means it is based on determinants. In determinants topics, one of the topics is there. From that, this formula will comes. So you need to remember this area of the triangle formula, right? Why I am using this formula means I will tell. Collinear points. Collinear points means suppose I will take these 3 points. It will have some area, right? This is a triangle with some area. I will take these 3 points, join these, join these, join these. Of course, this also have some area. This also have some area. Comparing with this, that is little bit of less one. Now I will take one more like this. Okay, join these, and join these. It also have the area. Okay, now I will take 3 points, join these, join these. Do you have any triangle? No. Of course, if there is any triangle, then the area of the triangle will be 0. Understood? I am saying that 3 points forms a triangle forms a triangle with area 0. Is it correct? I have taken one point, another point, another point. Okay, 3 points I have taken. This is one point, this is one point, this is one point. 3 points I have taken, right? So in these 3 points, what will be the area? With these 3 points, we won't form a triangle, but triangle forms means that area should be 0, right? Area becomes 0. Very good. Area will become 0 in collinear points. Whenever 3 points are collinear, area of the triangle will be 0. Now I am writing the condition. If 3 points 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. This is the main concept. Okay, this is the formula for area of the triangle, right? So in next class we will do some more problems based on this area of the triangle. Okay, means the property which is collinear. Based on this collinearity, I will do some more problems. Okay, I think you are following. Same time tomorrow I will continue. Okay, so till then, thank you for your support. Thank you one and all. Okay, in next class we will continue.